Okay, for this problem, we cannot apply the extreme value theorem because like given interval is not the closed one, okay? So so that's why you have to think about the shape of curve first, okay? Here we go. We're gonna use sign chart for f prime, okay? Here we go. We need to find critical value first, okay? By the product rule, x cubed prime 3x squared times ln x. Let me use different color for this, okay? To help you to understand, okay? This function times this function, okay? So first function prime is 3x squared times second function, which is ln x, and plus, because we are talking about product rule, first function times second prime. Let me simplify a little bit, okay? Because we have to find critical value, okay? It is equal to 3x squared times ln x plus x squared. To find the critical value, we can set that equal 0. And then, look at that. Common factor, x squared out, then 3 ln x plus 1 must be equal to 0, okay? First of all, x squared cannot make this equation equal to 0, okay? Because like your given interval is 0.5 to infinity, okay? So we have to set this part equals 0, which means 3 ln x plus equal to 1 plus 1 equals 0 and minus 1 on both sides. 3 ln x equal to negative 1 divided by 3 on both sides. Ln x must be equal to negative 1/3. Okay? And as you know, we raise e on both sides. Then your left-hand side will be just simply x. And right-hand side will be to the minus e to the minus 1 over 3. Okay? And the e to the minus 1 over 3 is bigger than 0.5. Okay? So, like, like at this moment, we can draw the sign chart of this one, okay? There we go. Okay, so okay, so whenever you plug in any number between 0.5 to e to the minus 1/3, your f prime value is negative because x cubed will be positive, but like ln of like e to the negative power will be negative value. Okay, so your f prime will be negative, which means f is decreasing. So your graph looks like that. Okay, and then whenever you plug in any value which is bigger than e to the negative 1/3, then your f prime will be positive. Oh, wait a minute. Let's do this again, okay? So like, whenever you plug in, again, whenever you plug in any value between like 0.5 to e to the minus 1/3 into my f prime, I'm talking about this guy. I can use this one because I never change any sign, okay? So x squared is always positive, but like since your log x value will be negative value, and 3 times that value will be bigger than 1, that's why it's negative, okay? But whenever you plug in bigger than e to the minus 1/3 into there, x squared is always positive, but like, your 3 times ln x plus 1 part will be positive, okay? So we can say f prime positive increase like that, okay? So like since there's no other critical value and your graph never come down again, so we can say there is absolute minimum at that point, okay? If you, like say, set the problem asks you to find absolute minimum value, we can plug in this value, okay? Then what is that? cubed times ln, like that, right? Am I doing right? Okay, so this one is equal to e to the minus 1 times negative 1/3. That is negative 1/3.